everyone, today we are going to discuss about the cross section of nasal cavity, or how to draw the diagram of nasal cavity.
We can start from the external nose, okay, which is the nostril, and give some space and draw the bony structure here. Okay, draw one more line. Now we can draw the nasal cavity. Okay, this is the nasal cavity. So once again the same. This is the sella tussica, and just below the sella tussica we have to make a curve, okay, and there is a cavity that is known as frontal sinuses. Okay, sinuses means the cavities within the bony structure. Now there are one more sinuses just under the sella tussica. Draw. It also look like a triangle shape. And now we can draw the lips and the gum, and just above the palate we have to make a, okay, and on the gum, that is a gum, below that there is a teeth. Under the gum there is a teeth. It's the opening of mouth, and it is the lower lip, and which is the jaw, and going down. This is the lower gum which have teeth, and the gum below the gum, that is the bony structure. Okay, above the upper teeth also there is a bone. And now we can draw the tongue inside the oral cavity, and it's going back, and that is the vocal cord or the small tongue inside our oral cavity. Okay, and it is extended as larynx. Now we have to draw the turbinates, okay, the turbinate bones, or otherwise known as the conchae. First it make a down and then make up again. Draw the same how it was, and it is extended back. Okay, the first one, the superior one, is a single, and the second one and third one are joined together, and these are called a conchae, okay, or turbinate bones. There are three turbinate bones. First is the superior turbinate, second is the middle one is the middle turbinate, and the lower one is the lower or inferior turbinate. And these are the ethmoidal plate, and now I'm drawing the head palate. This is the sphenoid sinuses, sphenoid sinuses, okay. And this is the sella tussica. This is the superior turbinate. And the middle one is the middle turbinate. And the last one is the bottom one is the inferior turbinate. This is superior turbinate. This is the middle turbinate, and next is the inferior turbinate, or we can say conchae. And this is the nostril. It's the opening of nose. This is the upper lip, and which is the lower lip. This is gum. This is tongue. And this is the cribriform plate, or otherwise known as ethmoidal plate. Cribriform plate, or otherwise known as the ethmoidal plate. This is the air passage from the nostrils through the turbinates. The air passes to the larynx, okay, which is the air passage. And just below the nasal cavity there is a bony structure that is known as the palate. There are two palate, hard palate, which have a bony structure, and just posterior to the bony structure, or posterior to the hard palate, this is the soft palate, which have only the tissues, no bones. Where the hard palate there is a bone, where the soft palate there is no bones, which is known as the soft palate. Thank you.